guys, it's Joy. Welcome to another video. Today we have a quick but effective beginner style ab workout. The only equipment you're gonna need is your mat. Be sure to keep your phone where you can see it so you can move along with me. And we're having 7 movements, 45 seconds on with 15-second rest in between. So without further ado, you guys, get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our first movement are high planks with a hip extension. We're just going to be in high plank position and gently lift our hips from the mat to the air and back for 45 seconds. Now we're taking our time to rest. We have 15-second rest in between each movement, you guys, so use this time to breathe and to get back on track. Our next movement here are crunches. We're just going to be lying on our backs, having our knees bent, and crunch up from the ground and back while sliding your palms towards your knees. Now we're going to be taking our rest again. Just to get rebooted, we have 8 seconds left on the rest clock. This movement is just a roll up. We're going to go slow and controlled for this. As we lie completely on the floor, we're going to rise up slowly to reach for our toes and gently roll back on our mat softly. Alright, it's time for another 15-second rest. Our next movement will be a cat and cow. Be sure to fully contract your core as you tuck your abdomen in. That way you can get the best from this movement. Remember to breathe. We're going to inhale as we come up and exhale as we tuck in. And here's another 15-second break, you guys. Almost there. We have 3 more movements to go. This movement is a Russian twist. You can either do this movement with your heels gently planted on your mat, or you can elevate your heels if you want to be a little bit more challenging. another rest. Get ready, you guys, to move into Indian push-ups. We're going to start in downward facing dog, and then we're going to come into upward facing dog, downward facing dog, into upward facing dog for 45 seconds. Remember, as we're going into upward facing dog, you want to tighten your core. Focus on that mind to muscle connection. And inhale as you come in upward facing dog. Be sure to exhale in downward facing dog. Our last exercise is just going to be a high plank, and here we'll hold the timer for 45 seconds. You guys can do this, you can do this, keep it up. All right, we have finished the workout. Great job. Have a blessed day. See you next time.